Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the top spray impeller that's located on this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The top spray impeller hub holds the top spray impeller that uses water from the dishwasher's circulation system to spray water down from the top of the dishwasher. During the wash cycle, water is moved from the main wash pump through the diverter assembly and up the main conduit assembly at the back of the tub. From there, the water is redirected from the top spray impeller held in place by the top spray impeller hub to clean the upper rack. Over time, the top spray impeller can crack, warp, or break and potentially cause water pressure loss. Mineral buildup or food debris may also clog the internal channels, restricting water flow to the impeller. When this part fails, you may notice poor cleaning performance on the upper rack, weak or uneven spray patterns, or water leaking from the top of the tub. In some cases, the impeller may not spin properly due to unseen damage. Replacing a damaged or clogged impeller could restore proper water pressure and help ensure consistent cleaning across all rack levels. If you need to purchase a replacement top spray impeller for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The only tool needed for this repair is a flat blade screwdriver. To access and replace the top spray impeller, first open the dishwasher's door and locate the impeller hub on the top of the inside of the dishwasher's tub. This replacement can be easier if you remove the top rack, but it can be completed with the top rack remaining in the dishwasher. For this video, we're going to remove it. To remove the top rack, lift slightly to clear the front rollers, then pull it forward so the rear rollers each reach the end of the slides. Lift the rack out and set it upside down to prevent damaging the spray arm. Remove the top spray impeller hub by releasing either one of the two tabs on the impeller hub. Be mindful that the top spray impeller is nested in the hub and could fall out into the dishwasher's tub. Once one of the tabs is released, pull the impeller hub off of the main conduit. Remove the top spray impeller and discard it. Inspect the impeller hub to be sure that it's clean and both locking tabs are in good working order. If the tabs are damaged, cracked, or weak, the impeller hub should be replaced. If you need a replacement top spray impeller, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts. For parts that perform better and last longer, choose OEM genuine parts like the ones that we sell at partsdoctor.com. We'll include a link in the description below. Be sure to search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to find the exact fit. To install the new top spray impeller, place it in the impeller hub spoke side down. There is a small pointed spindle in the impeller hub that the spray impeller rotates on. The 3 water channels of the impeller should be facing up. With the new spray impeller installed, slide the tabs of the impeller hub over the tabs of the main conduit. Be sure that the tabs lock in and it's held firmly in place. If needed, reinstall your upper dish rack, slide it back, and close the door. The dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.